How to capture screenshots with palm swipe on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. So all you have to do is to capture a screenshot with palm swipe. You can swipe to the left or to the right like this, or from left to right or right to left. So you can just swipe across like that, and that will work just fine. You can also swipe diagonal up like that, and that will work just fine as well. After that, once you have captured a screenshot, it will show a preview. You can tap on that, and then this will open up your picture gallery, and you can then, if you want, you can then edit and make changes to your screenshot. Now, if you swipe and it does not take a screenshot, you might need to turn it on first. To do that, you can swipe down at the top to open up quick settings, then tap on the settings icon. In settings, we scroll down, and from here we tap on advanced features, then tap on motions and gestures. From here we scroll down and make sure palm swipe to capture is turned on. If it's turned off, it will not work, so you need to switch it on. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.